Well, hello, my kings and my queens. How are we all doing? Hope most is well with you guys. Welcome back to another day at the Queen's house. If it's your first time here, then welcome. And thank you so much for stopping by and watching one more of my videos. And to my crown kings and queens, you are so welcome in the morning after the gala. So guys, I wanted to get this area, my living area, fully decorated for the holidays. But guys, because of my space, everything is done from in here. So the Christmas tree was decorated. We still have clutters of stuff here. The entryway was done, and we still have clutters here. So I'm just going to clean today and get the space ready for full decorating for the holidays. So welcome to my new kings and queens. You are crowned. Thank you so much for subscribing to the Queen's channel and becoming a part of the Queen's family. So guys, we're gonna jump right into this video and we are going to clean. I might come back at the ending of the cleaning. Well, yeah, I'm gonna come back because I'm gonna show you what it looks like now and what it looks like when we all done and clean up. So if you want some cleaning motivation, my kings and my queens, stick around for this video. Come on, let's go clean. Come. All right guys, so I'm just gonna give you just a swirl of the space. Bags, pillows, everything is out. So we're gonna get this space together for our Christmas styling. Okay guys, so let's go work.
The snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas, when everyone's around to share this holiday. Yes, it's a time of happiness, a time of joy, but now this year is twice as special, 'cause I'm hoping for us to fall in love in this winter wonderland. Chilling by the fire as I'm trying to get your attention, giving you a smile, I can't seem to look away. I might be crazy, but I think you feel it too, like a vibration right between us with a beautiful tune. Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland? Cold night, but I'm warm inside. Already said a little prayer that you will stick around. Is this year I'm really hoping for a kiss under the mistletoe? As hours pass by, all the stars shine much brighter. Or is it just your eyes that have lit something in me? I see you coming closer from across the room. My heart is pounding really fast, I don't know what to do. Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland? Cold night, but I'm warm inside. Already said a little prayer that you will stick around. Is this year I'm really hoping for a kiss under the mistletoe? Snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas, when everyone's around to share this holiday. Yes, it's a time of happiness, a time of joy, but now this year is twice as special, 'cause I'm hoping for that we'll fall in love in this winterland. Could we fall in love in this winterland? go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance. Come on. We're gonna dance, have a good time, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
my thoughts are regarding this new unit that I got. I placed it under my TV. Initially, guys, I wanted to get a fireplace, like the whole thing and stuff, but when I thought of it and I look at the ones that I wanted, they were a bit chunky, and then because of the small space, I didn't want to put that big chunky thing here, so I went ahead and I purchased the unit. Now I want to create like a accent wall behind it. I know that the right way is to actually build the thing, and so the TV would be flushed in it and the fireplace would be flushed in. I bought the hard boards from the Dollar Tree, and I will be just putting it on the wallpaper onto the hardboard, and then I could just tack it on each side and in the middle and at the bottom, so when I'm leaving I don't have the headache of dealing with the wallpaper against the paint. So that's what it is. It looks like, and I like it because it gives you that 3D effect, as in it's actually real brick and you can touch it and feel it and stuff. So this is the DIY that I am planning to do. The cords, I would just have to get the smaller one. I had the flat one, so I know Home Depot sell a small one, so I'm gonna have to get the small one and just do it from here to here. I don't know, but I'll work something out, and then I'll fix that, and the cord that is here for the unit, I'll just use some double-sided tape and tape it underneath. So that's it, my kings and my queens. I'm pretty much done with this area here. The next time you see this area, we will be dressing it. I don't know if it's the me and my hand gestures, right? So I'm just gonna give you I can't show you over there, guys. It's a mess over there, but we gonna get it together. The Queen's house, we gonna get it together. And that is one drawback. You work with a smaller space, and so everything that you do is in the set space. You see what I'm saying? So it's almost like it's always messy. So I'm gonna show you a spin, and then the next time you see the space, we'll be either doing this or we will be dressing the space, guys. So thank you so much for spending the time with me, my kings and my queens. This video got you motivated to clean up your space and making it feel so good. You can rub your feet on the carpet without there is no dust under your feet. The furnitures are clean, sprucey, and smelling nice. If this video motivated you guys, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what your thoughts are. And I'm going to say happy holidays from the Queen's house to your house. Continue to do you and make it beautiful. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Lady, we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to
And if you're watching the video until this time and you have not subscribed to the Queen's channel, then go right ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of the Queen's family. And thank you so much for watching one more of my videos in the series Christmas at the Queen's House. Bye for now.
Carolers are singing out.